ROS provides software packages scheduled to support robotic simulation and data visualization. Gazebo is a free robot simulator and can communicate data over ROS2. It has the ability to keep track of robot positions and replicate the state of a real robot. Additionally, it incorporates virtual sensors, enabling the simulation of authentic sensor data. This allows you to evaluate and test your code as if you were running it on an actual physical robotic system. RViz and RQT are for visualization purposes. RViz is a comprehensive software suite for 3D data visualization that allows seamless interaction with data using ROS2. It is equipped with various data visualization capabilities, enabling users to effectively interact with their robot. RQT, on the other hand, is a plugin-based GUI that can be used with ROS2. It comes with variable graphical plugins, such as a topic publisher, image viewer, parameter updater, and node graph visualizer. RQT focuses most on user interaction with ROS2, whereas RViz focuses on visualizing 3D data. The robots can be modeled by creating a URDF Unified Robot Description format model. URDF is an XML-based file format used to describe the geometry, kinematics, and visual properties of a robot. The URDF file includes information about robot joints, links, visual and collision geometry, joint limits, and more. Part of a URDF has a structure like this. This was a short intro to ROS2 simulation and visualization tools. We will learn how to use them in projects.